Hey everyone! Today we're tackling a delicate repair, removing and reballing the NAND from an iPhone 11. First, we apply heat at 200 degrees Celsius with 60 degrees airflow to soften the adhesive around the NAND chip. Once the adhesive is softened, we use a curved blade to gently remove it from the sides of the NAND. Next, we increase the heat to 400 degrees Celsius with 60 degrees Celsius airflow to lift the NAND chip. Remember, overheating can cause permanent damage to the NAND or the board, so monitor your temperatures closely. After removing the NAND, we place it in a holder. I use an iron to remove the adhesive. Once the adhesive is softened by the iron, I use a wick to clean off the remaining adhesive and solder. This ensures a clean surface for reballing. Once the adhesive is removed, we clean off any old flux residue using a cleaning cloth. This ensures that no contaminants interfere with the reballing process. Now, we apply the stencil over the NAND and add 138 solder paste. Ensure the paste is evenly applied to avoid uneven solder balls. With the stencil and solder paste in place, we reheat the assembly to melt the solder and form the new solder balls. After reballing, we finish with fresh flux and clean off any excess. The NAND is now ready for reinstallation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, follow for more iPhone repair tips and tutorials.